Sorry about that. I was live a few minutes ago and my phone just blacked out. It didn't die or nothing, it just blacked out. Dakota kids say, don't hurt yourself. If you know me in real life, I'm real clumsy. That's some good advice. God bless California with golden showers. Hey, Steve, I don't even know what that means. I ain't even about to lie to you, boss. I have no Robux. I don't know what that is either. I appreciate it. Appreciate that, Lynn. Yeah, I might not be able to finish this tonight because I was telling everybody before the live cut off that I'm running low on these and Lowe's is closed, so I can't get any more. So as much as I want to get this done today, it's just not gonna happen. I'm doing this for my mom, for her house. I just wanted to give her a nice, just a nice house, man. She just waited so long to become a homeowner. I don't know how many of y'all can relate to that. You know, it's expensive trying to get a house out here. And she's really a good-hearted person. Like, I just grew up seeing her do a lot for other people. And so, you know, my heart is toward giving back. And just being able to fix up her house and make it, you know, a dream house is a blessing. Yeah, because I know one day I'm going to be blessed on my journey to home ownership, and I'm going to finally get my house and, you know, I hope that all the seeds sown come back 100-fold, or whatever the word is. Y'all bear with me if I sound like I'm talking nonsense. I'm a little tired. I'm an old man. Shoot, I'm usually in the bed by now. I ain't even about to hold you. So this one's gonna go this way. Well, if y'all have any questions, ask away though. I'm an open book. Like, I answer whatever questions you have. Like I say, I love sharing knowledge. I love helping other people out. So ask away. It's looking eye-ish right now.